Rules of indices. So today's objective is I will be able to raise a power to another power. So let's have a little look at this first. What this actually means is something like 3 squared to the power of 4. So this is what is meant by raising a power to another power. So if we wrote this out in full, what it would mean is 3 squared times 3 squared times 3 squared times 3 squared. So you are timesing 3 squared by itself 4 times. Now this is the rule number 1. So this is rule 1 of indices, multiplying. When we multiply, we add the powers, so 2, 4, 6, 8. So our answer would be 8 there. So the rule with raising powers to another power is you multiply the powers. So 2 times 4 would be 8. So a power raised to a power, you multiply the powers. Okay, let's have a look at a couple of examples together. So I've got 2 cubed raised to the power of 4. So I do 2 to the power of 3 4s are 12. I've got a to the 4 raised to the power of 10 becomes a to the power of 4 times 10 is 40. Okay, so I've got 2 for you to do. Press pause, have a go, and we'll go through them. Okay, so we get 3 to the power of 2 times 4 is 8. And then I get b to the power of 3 times 10 is 30. Hopefully you got those correct. I've now got 11 questions for you to have a go at. Press pause, have a go, and then we'll go through them. Okay, question 9. Write 4 as a power of 2. So you should know that 2 squared is 4. So as a power of 2, it's just 2 squared. Okay, write 4 to the power of 5 as a power of 2. Okay, so we know that 4 could be written as 2 squared. We just did that. But we want 4 to the power of 5. So we could write it as 4 to the power of 5. And then there's our rule of indices here. We multiply these together, so it'd be the same as 2 to the power of 10. Okay, question 11 then. Write 2 cubed times 4 to the 5 as a power of 2. So this is already a power of 2. And 2 to the power of 5 could be written as 2 to the power of 10, we just did that. And when we multiply, we add the powers together, so I get 2 to the power of 13. Okay, hopefully you got all of those correct. Let's move on to rule 4. Okay, here comes the most difficult rule. Are you ready for it? Anything to the power of 0 is 1. And that is it. So, a to the power of 0 is 1. 120 to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, 2 for you to do. Should take you all of about a second. b to the power of 0 is 1. 76,542 to the power of 0 is 1. Lovely, that is it. That is rule 4. So I now have 8 practice questions for you to do that are a mixture of all 4 rules that we have learned up till now. So press pause, have a go, and then we'll go through them. Hopefully you got all of those correct. What I need you to do now is complete the exit ticket and send it to your class teacher.